we had a roof leak at our house, so there's shingles in the attic. I don't know if you guys can see some of these photos. Probably not from there, but basically, we had a roof above a roof, so the water had nowhere to go,
Yeah.
and you don't know the roof. You know, you don't. You look up and you're like, oh well, no roof damage because there's no water because I don't have any paint bubbling or anything,
Yeah.
and then it's just growing in the attic, and then it wasn't until after my surgery, when you're recovering in the same room for 2 days, sorry, 2 weeks, and you can't even lift your arms, which I thought was the muscle relaxers. But the muscle relaxers are so you don't rip your stitches. So then I'm trying to take myself off the muscle relaxers because I can't even lift a bowl of soup. I'm
Yeah.
literally having to have my wife feed me, and I thought that was you know what's crazy? I still thought it was the muscle relaxers until the other day.